guys down. Right, so here we go. So we're looking at fractions of numbers. We've got 1/3 of 15. Can you tell us what do we need to do first?
We take 15 and
What do we do?
we division.
Yeah, we divide it. Excellent. So we divide it by what? What do we divide it by? 15 divided by what?
3.
Excellent. So 15 divided by 3. So you can make yours a bit smaller if you want. I'll make mine a bit smaller. So 15 divided by 3. Okay. And you can do a little division symbol in there if you want so you don't forget. So what's 15 divided by 3? What does that equal?
Is 5.
Right. So now we got the 5. So what do we need to do with that number 5 next? What do we do next?
We take 5 and multiply with 1.
Excellent. So we're going to move this 5 over here and I'm going to multiply. What's that numerator? So that number 1 is called a numerator. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that as well. So highlight that. So we're going to do 5 times 1. So what's 5 times 1?
Is 5.
Excellent. So that is it. That's really good. Right, let's go to Daniel Dalden. Are you there, Daniel Dalden? DD?
Yeah.
Right, so let's go through this again. So what do we do first? So what have we got? We've got 1/3 of 3. What are we going to do?
3 divided by 3.
So 3 divided by 3. Okay, and now I'm going to get my symbol. So let's do that again. So, make sure it's right. So 3 divided by 3. And you can draw that symbol in there. So what's 3 divided by 3?
1.
1. Excellent. Now we're going to move that 1. And what we're going to do with the 1 next?
We're going to times it by 1.
Yeah, we're going to do 1. And we're going to multiply it by the numerator, which is on top here. And the numerator is a 1, isn't it? So 1 times 1. What's 1 times 1, Daniel?
It's definitely 1.
Yes, it's definitely 1. Okay, so there we have it. So again, I'm using my 1/3 of 3 is 3 divided by 3 equals 1 times by 1, which equals 1. Excellent. Let's go to the next person. Let's go to Tian Long. Are you there, Tian Long?
Hello.
Hello, excellent. You're live on Kabow Wow. So here we go. 1/3 of 27. What do I need to do then? What number do I need to get first? What? 1/3 of 27. What is the number we have all together?
It's 27.
Right, so 27. And what are we going to do with that 27? Have a look at the workings out. What are we going to do?
Divide it by 3.
Excellent. So we're going to divide the 27 by the 3, which is known as the denominator. So, like I said, keep it nice and neat and put a division symbol there so you never forget. 27 divided by 3. What does that equal, Tian Long?
9.
Well done. And we're now going to move that 9 over here. And what we're going to multiply 9 by? Do you remember? The numerator.
9
So what's 9 multiplied by 1? 9 multiplied by 1 equals?
is 9.
Right, so that is what you should have had. 1/3 of 15 equals 15 divided by 3 times by 5 equals 1. Times by 1 equals 5. And then we've got 1/3 of 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Times by 1 equals 1. And 1/3 of 27. Well, we do 27 divided by 3, which equals 9. And then multiply by the numerator, which is 1. And then the answer. So 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so that is what we should have had.